Welcome everyone. This is Chris with Dajewa Capital. We're going to look at this particular gold trade from March 31st. We had a 158.2 entry and a stop loss of 157.04. Gold came down to our support, started to make a double bottom, and our purple line is the entry price, and our red line of 157.04 is our stop loss below this pivot low and below another pivot low further to the left that we will take a look at. So on the 31st, we had a trigger above, putting us into the trade. So as we follow along on the Discord, our next alert and our first take profit area would be the neckline at 164.15. Once we hit our neckline, as you can see, we had our double boxes set showing our 100% target for the double bottom, right around 171.34. Swinger, scale, and walk away if you're a long-term trader. Once it confirmed our double bottom, we were waiting for our next alert. We had an update on the 14th. If we break below 161, nothing wrong with collecting profit and waiting to see what happens. Trader discretion, stop loss still not violated on original entry. After we hit our first target, we started to flag, and the alert was set below 161 as a stop loss. Basically saying if we traded below, nothing wrong with collecting profit and moving on as a more conservative approach. The aggressive approach would be to hold on because our original stop loss is still not violated at 157.04. As we waited to see what happens, the next day gold stayed strong and gapped. I think it gapped up. Correct. And continued to push higher. Scroll down. So after our flag, we've hit our 100% on the double bottom, and we're now starting to approach 173 as the next resistance. The trend line meeting this area as well. If we still had contracts running from our 100%, this would be our next area of focus to see if we were going to break out or bears were going to hold and protect this area. Just giving an update. Started to make a flag. And if we were to break out, these would be our next levels. 175 as 100% part of the move. And 161.8 using our extension. We did break above and hit the 100%, 175. On May 17th. And now on a macro level, our next area of focus would be 182 on this weekly chart. Gold started to slow down, flag and make a doji, and eventually put in a head and shoulders. So we take a look. Right around the 178 area, and finally reverse to the other side. So thank you and have a good one.